How do you disable MCP in Codex? So the first way to do that is remove the MCP servers from your config file. And to open your config file, you want to click on File in the Codex app and then go to Settings. Now you want to go to Configuration and then click on Open config.toml file. Now in this config file, if you see any MCP underscore servers entries, you want to comment them out all, or basically remove them and then save the settings, and then you can close the file. Now the next way to do it from the app is click on File and then Settings. Now you want to click on MCP servers, and from here you should find all the MCP servers that you've added or connected, and then you can simply remove any MCP servers you want from here. You can also remove MCP servers or disable them from the command line tool or terminal by clicking on toggle terminal here. And then you want to type codex space MCP space remove, and then basically space, and you should specify the MCP server name, for example test, and then press enter, and that should remove the MCP server if it was found. You can also run the command codex space MCP space list to see all the MCP servers that you have. In this case, I don't have any, so it doesn't list anything. And then from there, you can copy the name of the MCP server that you want to disable or remove, and just run the MCP codex MCP remove and then the server name. And if you want to disable a specific MCP server, you can basically go back to the settings file here and look for that MCP server and set the enabled to false, and then save the file. And you might need to restart the CLI or the Codex app, and that should basically disable the MCP. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.